There are two simple ways to make your clone voices sound more emotional. 1. Use the reclone feature. If a character expresses different emotions like happiness, anger, or surprise, you can create emotional variations using the reclone function. Select the speaker segment you want to adjust, then click Change Voice and choose Reclone the Voice. You'll see a list of all the lines for this speaker. Select the lines that match your desired emotion. For example, check all the happy lines if
What
you
are you
want to
doing
express
here?
happiness.
Oh man, what an honor to meet you. I'm such a fan of Tesla and SpaceX, all your companies.
Then, click Reclone. The system will create a new cloned voice with that emotion. You can also save this voice to your library with a clear name for future use. To apply the new voice to all of the speaker's lines, simply check this box. Finally, click Confirm and Update Dubbing to apply the emotion-enhanced voice. You can also convey emotion by adjusting the text itself. Adding punctuation marks and capitalizing words can emphasize different emotions. To show excitement, capitalize important words and add exclamation marks. For example,
He doesn't like apples.
to add a questioning tone, end with a question mark, like
He doesn't like apples.
to convey hesitation, just add an ellipsis for a more thoughtful feel, like
He doesn't like apples.
these simple tweaks can make a big difference, adding more life and emotion to your translated voice.